In this video, I'm showing you how to set up quizzes via tryinteract.com. Hi, I'm Jess, the multitasking maven. Every day, I help entrepreneurs like you set up systems for success. In fact, one of my favorite systems is Acuity scheduling, and I have a free, quick and dirty guide linked below to get you started in setting up your Acuity scheduling. So in full transparency, one of my clients introduced me to Interact. She had drafted a quiz on paper and she wanted it to come to life. And tryinteract.com was the vehicle that we used to make her quiz come to life because, as you can see, quizzes are the easiest way to convert curious people into loyal customers and happy clients. And I can attest that that is true. So I created a free account, as did my client. We created her quiz in her free account. But for this lesson, I want to show you what you can do with a free account. Go to tryinteract.com, create a free account. I've already done so I'm going to log in. And as you'll see, I've already been playing on my own with a couple of templates that they offer. So the first step is to go to create a quiz and then select one of the quizzes that you would like. The personality quiz, the scored, or assessment quiz. I don't want to get into what they all are. It's pretty obvious, but to get a deeper dive into the difference between the three, do a quick Google search. So I wanted to do a personality quiz. So for example, I want to get a sense of who's coming to my website and the work they need help with. So if I can narrow them down into 4 different silos based on the quiz questions and answers, then I'll be able to sell those 4 different silos for different opportunities. So that's the pre-work you have to do before it comes to life, thanks to Interact. So I want to go back to my dashboard. Let me see. Let me go back to my dashboard because I've already chosen this template. And in this particular example, it's about a love archetype. So let's not look at the content of this right now. I just want to give you an overview of what you can do to make your quiz come to life. So this is the cover page of your quiz. The title of your quiz can be edited. Your image can be edited. You upload an image that you've created, likely in Canva. Description, and then the call to action. All of the colors can be adjusted here. This is the template. I haven't taken the time yet to add my brand colors or my fonts, but this is where you would do so. The next step are questions. So Interact gives you like 10 questions or so. I've already deleted some, but if you wanted to delete more, remove question, confirm. If you want to add more, you click on add new question. This particular template wants me to have images associated with my answers, but I don't want to do that. So instead, I'm going to tap on use text answers, and then voila. I do love the idea of having an image. So again, create it in Canva, upload it here. And the next step is to go, obviously, answer settings. You would toggle this on. If you would like the end user to select multiple answers, with the work I did with my client, we didn't do that. It was just one question, one answer. And this is the best part, is edit the result correlations. So you need to correlate the answer to the question based on the result. So as I said previously, I want to come up with 4 different silos. So for this example, in this template, the 4 different silos are bold-hearted romantic, lover of love, peace-loving partner, loyal lover. So this answer is correlating to these, see where these gray lines are going? This one answer correlates to these 3 results. I don't want that. So I'm going to tap on the answer and I'm going to untoggle. So this answer goes to this result. This answer goes to this result. I turn that off. This answer goes to that, and this answer goes here, and we turn that off. Ta-da! Save. We need to do that for every question. And just like I said before, we're going to use text answers. And then when you're done with editing all of your questions and answers and setting up the correlations, You're then going to tap on the results. So, as we said before, with this particular template, they are a bold-hearted romantic, and this is a description of what a bold-hearted romantic is. And what I really love about it is that this allows me to introduce myself. This is not me. Again, this is the template. But because this is a quiz for someone who has never met you before, this section I love because this builds the know, like, trust factor. When people get to know you, they like you or fall in love with you, and then they trust you, and then they're going to buy from you. And then at the end, there's this wonderful call to action where you can sell someone something. You can hide the call to action. I suggest you not hide it. I suggest you come up with a really great call to action, which could be a download of what it means to be a bold-hearted lover. It could be a call to action to schedule a free assessment call with you, a discounted rate on one of your appointment types, a special gift certificate, etc. So have fun playing with Try Interact. Enjoy the journey. Again, this is a free account that I have. Oh, my bad. Publish. Publish as is. And then you get this link so you can embed it anywhere you want. Watch this video next for more help with Acuity scheduling and more help with the other platforms that I use on a daily basis. And subscribe. I can be your YouTube, OBM, Acuity scheduling, Try Interact, Flowdesk, ConvertKit, multitasking maven. See you soon.